8 incredible gadgets for men that are on another level. Brushless drone. Brushless drone with 2K FHD camera video. Brushless motors, upgraded 2204 1500 kV brushless motors for quieter, powerful flight and better stability, which makes your flight more enjoyable. What's more, it enables you to fly the drone in cold winter. The max speed of the drone is up to 45 km per hour. Advanced 5G Wi-Fi 2K camera, with 90 degrees adjustable angle 2K HD camera, which can be adjusted by remote controller. And 5G 980 FT Wi-Fi transmission ensures high-quality real-time video and high-speed picture transmission without delay. Ideal selfie drone, catching every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. 40 minutes flight time. Enjoy a maximum of 20 minutes flight time with a 7.6 volts 2420 mAh powerful modular battery. The package comes with 2 pieces batteries, extends your flight time to 40 minutes. More flying experiences will be gained. A modular battery is easy to install and safer. GPS mode. GPS positioning provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. It is able to provide with automatic return, low power return and no signal return. No longer worry about the drone will loss. Tittle Light. The innovative 3D LED light cube that transforms home lighting. With a lamp, mood lighting and music visualizer features, Tittle Light creates a seamless dialogue between light, space, and sound inside your environment. Tittle Light allows users to send a 3D emoji directly to the lamp through the emoji feature. With the clock and timer features, Tittle Light can help users gain back their precision of time through inventive 3D animations. Through an easy-to-use Wi-Fi connection, Tittle Light can immediately be turned on with Tittle's app. No assembly is necessary. Vastly different from your average light bulb, Tittle Light emphasizes a much more whimsical approach to lighting. Generic Cheerson Quadcopter. Control this quadcopter from your smartphone using Wi-Fi. You will not need a remote controller. Live stream the camera footage directly from your phone and easily control the quadcopter. Headless mode, 1-button return, speed adjustment, phone operation, voice, flight operation track, video camera, emergency stop, electric adjustment camera. Remote control signal, 2.4 GHz, remote control distance, 200 meters, highest image resolution, and maximum video resolution. URwerk UR 1001 watch. The early watches were minimalist and functional, space-age time machines. Exuding force from a case seemingly carved from a block of solid metal, the UR 1001 marks the passage of time in seconds, minutes, hours, day/night, date, month, years, 100 years, and all of the way to a monumental 1000 years. Chain, strap. UR 1001, handmade, heat black and steel links featuring bespoke URwerk clasp with carboneer closure, UR 1001 Titan. Black leather strap created based on an original design by URwerk. The URwerk UR 1001 Titan is the URwerk UR 1001 sight machine, device, pocket watch with a module to strap it to your wrist, which we did. Tripod stand. Tripod stand with bag by Prosmart, aluminium tripod stand. Aluminium alloy. 3-way head. The tripod's 3-way head allows for ultimate versatility. Easily change the orientation of the camera from portrait to landscape and almost any angle in between with the handy tilt motion. Turn the knobs to secure. The tripod also allows for full panoramic possibilities with its 360-degree swivel function. Level tester. This tripod equipped with a level tester, which can detect and adjust its horizontal position. When the ground is not level, you can recognize it immediately and adjust the tripod leg to keep level. Special features. Features with a pan tilt swivel head with bubble leaf. Special features 2, 3-section legs, extendable legs. One PC Gentelman Barber. One PC Gentelman Barber styling metal comb stainless steel men beard comb mustache care shaping tools pocket size silver hair comb. Men fashion design, 100% new brand, high quality, made by high quality and durable metal materials. Professional beard styling tool for men. Metal comb and stainless steel. Flynova Pro. Flynova Pro flying ball spinner toy hand-controlled drone helicopter 360 degrees rotating mini UFO with RGB light kids boys girls gift. Keep the charging port is up, then press the power switch and swing Flynova Pro with your wrist, and the wind blade will start to rotate. Swing Flynova Pro again, the wind blade will stop rotating. Press the power button. Again, Flynova Pro will stop working. Keep the charging port is up and thrown out at an angle of 30 degrees, and the ball will fly back by itself. The normal phenomenon, the ball will stop spinning when it falls on the ground. imagiCharm. imagiCharm, learn to code with a smart accessory that you can program directly from your phone using the app. Interactive in-app tutorials, quick feedback loops, and an unmistakably colorful result, and the best part is that this is all done together with like-minded friends. Learn Python programming, one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world. Customizable, personalize every day, make it personal and express yourself. Create your projects and upload with Bluetooth to your imagiCharm. Show the world your coding skills. Made with high quality and safety standards. The imagiCharm will give you more than 6 hours of fun on a single charge. Ideal gift for someone who wants to learn to code and have a cool fashion accessory that can be personalized endless times.